I came to the conclusion that if you like two things, sometimes it might be a good idea to just combine them. For example, peanut butter and jelly. Absolute masterpiece. Or coffee and creamer, pizza and Whoa, guys, calm down. Don't come for me, okay? I don't have beef with my pineapple pizza. Yeah, no, I definitely, no, that's gross. But what if you like makeup and face masks? Not this kind of face masks. There is this new makeup trend where people are blending makeup with peel-off masks, and that's how they create something that looks absolutely amazing. I think they call it porcelain dough skin makeup look. I don't know, it's a little weird because they don't look like human anymore. They look like mannequin, like a porcelain dough, you know, a little creepy. But it's weirdly nice, just like pineapple pizza. Listen, there is a reason pineapple pizza still exists, okay? Because I buy it. Listen, it's gonna be a lie if I tell you that I know what I'm doing, but it's going to be an even bigger lie if I tell you that I don't know what I'm doing. You think this shade might be a little too light for me?
A ghost! There's a ghost in this basement!
Yes!
What?
A ghost?
Who said ghost? We have a ghost? Oh my god, oh my god!
This is the exact same foundation I used in this video. This foundation shade was supposed to match my skin tone, but instead, it matches my teeth. Still a perfect match. It kinda looks like I'm wearing a face mask, look. I'm trying to look like a porcelain dough today. Hold on, let me blend this out. Drying out so quickly. I got rid of my buns because they were making... That was my chair. One thing that I've never told you about my buns, the one that are no longer with us because I got rid of them. They're cute, they're adorable, I love how they look. But they're also super evil, okay? They're mean. They make my melon hurt a lot. I have a very sensitive melon. They pull every thought that I have out of my head with force and violence. I can't think of anything else but how much my head hurts when I have them on. Then you just focus and do your makeup. What do you mean? I'm crisp, I'm sharp, I'm in high definition, I'm clearly in focus. But if I do this, now I'm not focused. Okay. I hope this makes it clear. Come on, Danny. It's obvious you're trying to avoid doing something, okay? You've been taking your time, getting all distracted, clearly not focusing on the main task, which is doing your makeup. So what is it? What are you trying to avoid? It's the glue. Ooh, I got this glue over here. It says strong and fast. Yeah, that's the exact opposite of who I am as a person. Oh, I hate how this feels. I hate it. I had one brush that I really like. It's this one over here. Honestly, if I could just shave off my eyebrows for this part, I would have done it.
Do it! Do it.
Do it. I just don't want to deal with the consequences of shaving off my eyebrows. Hey Siri, my friend, how you doing today?
Expect partly cloudy skies today.
Huh?
Functional, as always. Siri, we have so much in common. We're both useless.
I found this on the web.
How long does it take for shaved eyebrows to grow back?
Eyebrows usually grow back within 4 to 6 months.
4 to 6 months? That's a lot. I'm trying to grow back my eyebrows, not a jungle. I thought it meant weeks. And I was like, oh, that's not that bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick to gluing my eyebrows. 6 months. How do I make this work for my leg hairs too? It's gonna be fantastic if I can shave them only twice a year, every 6 months. Yes, please. 6 months. Why is this not blending? This is some red lipstick I put on my eyebrows. I wanted to color correct with it, but it's not blending. I let it set for a little too long. Oh my god. I'm gonna add a little more. 6 months. Yeah, something is off. The human body can grow a whole baby in 9 months, okay? But it needs 6 months to recover from a little eyebrow incident. Make that make sense. How does it make sense? I'm gonna tell you it doesn't. The math is not mathing. The eyebrows are not eyebrowing. Something is not somethinging. Siri, why are you spreading false information? Did my mom tell you to tell me this?
You have new messages in 9 conversations. First, free 2 coin.
That's not what I asked. Stop avoiding my questions. You sound guilty. That sounds like a scare tactic my mom would use to keep me from shaving off my eyebrows. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Okay, wow, this is a jump scare. Oscar. Oscar. I think I just traumatized my child. Why are you running? No, stop.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
He's running away from me. I think it's something about my face. I don't think he'll ever be able to recover from seeing this. And the problem is not that I'm having something on my face. The problem is that things are missing from my face. Like, for example, my eyebrows and sign of life. Some wife material. A bike. Okay, perfect. This is good. This is good. If this is good, then what's bad? Just wait. We're gonna get there. What do I need to trim my eyeliner? I kind of want my eyebrows to look like one of those sunbeds. You know, just chilling by the pool, enjoying the sunny weather. I look sad, but I'm feeling good. Okay, maybe I made them a little too curvy. Give me a moment, I'm gonna try to fix them. Okay, I'm back. I fixed them. This is the fixed version. I can barely see them. They look like a giant wrinkle on your forehead. Is this how they're supposed to be? Yes, I love them. I was going only for sad, but somehow I made myself look sad and angry at the same time. I'm so sangry right now. Okay, what are we doing next? I'm removing whatever I have on my eyelid right now, which is quite a lot, just to cover it with a nice thick layer of concealer. But I want this concealer to be like super bright. Hold on, let me blend it. Because the lighter my base is, the more vibrant this blue eyeshadow will come out. And I'm applying it with this puff. Well, it's very convenient. Oh my god, this blue eyeshadow just made everything so much better. It brought life to my face. Hello, life. Welcome back. I have these brow hairs right here that are poking through this super thick layer of makeup that I have on my face right now. And they are driving me bananas. Bananas. Can I plug them? No. I just want them to disappear. Denny, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not gonna do it. Then what you looking for over there? I'm just thinking about it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. I mean, ow. I did it. Yeah, I never doubted you. I mean, they will grow back at some point eventually, 6 months from now, I don't know. Oh my god, look, this is so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. Yeah, it's gonna be yellow, blue, and yellow. They look good together. They're like the sky and the sun. I wanna look like a glazed minion with Sharpie eyebrows at the end of this. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna also add some... I'm gonna add some orange. I forgot how it's called for a second. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like... It's like a sunset. Oh wow, I loved it. I love how this looks. Oh my god, I look unreal.
Confidence is high. I repeat, confidence is high.
Wow. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. Okay, the lips are also going to be orange, because why not? Oh, I could have also done red. Nah, I like orange. I'm gonna need this here to get out of my face. This is the peel-off mask I'll be using today. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. See, this is the reason I don't like reading instructions. Instructions are ruining all the fun. Because I'll be applying this mask everywhere on my face, including the places they tell me not to. Okay, let's go. No, here. Don't go there.
Don't go there.
Oh boy. If I sound speechless, that's because I am. I am a little nervous. This is how I feel in the summer when I put a full face of makeup on. The humidity has no mercy. Oh my god. The wrinkles are wrinkling. Ah, I look old. Oh. She looks like a deflated balloon. Oh, it unstuck right here. Did you see it? Look at my nose. It's the only thing that it's not wrinkling. Okay, let's peel it off. I'm gonna kind of rip it. Oh my god, it almost came off in one piece. Look, this used to be my face. It doesn't hurt taking it off at all, so that's nice. Oh, this felt so good. Oh, my eyebrows are full of products. Glue, mask, makeup, they've got everything. Everything that I had the mask on is gone. Like my makeup, my eyeshadow, my eyebrows, everything came off with the mask, except for my lipstick. It's not smudge proof, but it's peel off mask proof. Oh, careful there. You're gonna set those brows on fire. Hi! Do I look familiar? It's a different day, same makeup look for me. I'm filming this video 3 days after I filmed this previous video that you just watched. And we've got a problem. There are two thoughts that have been wrestling in my mind for the past 3 days. And I can't rest, I can't sleep, I can't eat. I'm obviously over-exaggerating. Because on the one hand, I'm thinking, oh my god, I absolutely nailed this. This came out so good. Oh, masterpiece. But then on the other hand, I'm like, ugh, brother, ugh.
What's that? What's that, brother?
I don't look like a porcelain though, I look like I'm melting. So what do we do? I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. I've noticed that most of the creators that tried recreating this trend and makeup look, they actually used an airbrush to spray the peel-off mask on their face. I've never used an airbrush before, this is going to be my first time. What can possibly go wrong? We're about to find out. Oh, I sprayed it in my eye. I'm okay? I think I'm okay, but please pray for my eye. Let me give you a little behind the scenes sneak and peek, okay? Because this looks all fun and games, but the reality is not that great. I had to apply approximately 8 layers of the face mask and drying each layer before applying the next one. So you can kind of get an idea how time consuming that is.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
But it was so worth it because this is the result. I'm so happy with how it came out. I am kind of obsessed. This looks so much better than my first attempt. It is unbelievable. It's so much more comfortable to talk and move my face. I look like a glazed donut. That's amazing. I wish I could sneeze right now. See, I don't look old if I try to fold my face. Is it folding? Broke. Okay, this is the most satisfying part. Oh, I think you can actually hear it. Let's try to peel off the nose. I feel like I'm unwrapping myself. The first one peeled off so much better. I think it's because I had a more thick layer of mask on my face. This one is coming off in pieces. The other one was like... It all came off in one piece. That was so oddly satisfying. This technique is absolutely genius. It blew my mind. Can't get it off my eyebrows. I have to admit, I tried creating this look 4 different times. 4. Well, you've already seen my first and my second attempt, but there were also a third and a fourth one. Third time is a charm, they say, but in my case, it was the biggest fail out of all of my attempts. I guess I applied a very thick layer of the mask and I started peeling it off before it even dried. It looked transparent and slimy. I hated peeling this off. But for the fourth one, I actually tried the same technique but on a completely different look. However, I didn't like how it turned out, so it never ended in the video. It's awful being stubborn, okay? I don't recommend it to anyone. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, I think you might also like watching these. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!